Hey buddy, today in this video we're making pork ribs with Korean barbecue sauce from CJ Foods. This is what the bottle looks like. And let's get started. We're using pork loin bone-in country style ribs. And it's around a little bit over 3 pounds. We're going to season the ribs. We're going to add some garlic powder. Turn them around. Do the same thing. Some garlic powder. You be generous with the garlic powder. Some onion powder. Do the same thing, turn them around. Then add the onion powder. And lastly, we're going to add some black pepper. Turn them around, do the same thing. Here we go. Next, we're going to spray just a little bit of cooking oil on top. Turn them over, do the same thing. Okay, we're going to preheat the air fryer first. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it at 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer is fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put them in. Okay, there we go. We have the pork ribs in. Let's put it in. Set it to 400 degrees for 30 minutes. And start. And we'll be back. It's been 15 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Looking great. Turn them over. Okay, we're gonna put it in for the last 15 minutes. It's been 25 minutes so far. There's 5 minutes remaining. And now we're gonna apply the barbecue sauce. Here's a closer look of the barbecue sauce we're using. And now let's pour some of the Korean barbecue sauce in a bowl. There we go. We're gonna take a brush and take the Korean barbecue sauce and apply it on top. There we go. We're gonna flip it over and apply the other side. There we go, we flipped them all over. And we're gonna take the Korean barbecue sauce and apply it on this side as well. There we go, we applied the barbecue sauce on both sides of the ribs. And we're gonna put it in for the last 5 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been a total time of 30 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Wow, it looks nice. Let's take them out. Okay, let's check the temperature. It's well over 145 degrees and it's good. But just in case, we're going to check another one. Yep, we're good. Okay, we're going to take a little bit of green onions and apply it on top. Okay, this is what we have today, pork country style ribs with Korean barbecue sauce. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.